Hello everyone, myself Amit Nepte, third year student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel Management and Tourism Studies. In this video, I am going to give you a short overview about an island country, Kiribati. It is an island country in the Central Pacific Ocean made up of the Gilbert Island, the Line Island, and the Phoenix Island. The capital city of Kiribati is Tarawa, home to the half of the population. Kiribati got its independence on 12 July 1979. The president is Taniti Mamau. The national bird is frigate bird. The national colors are red, white, blue and yellow. The national anthem is Teraki Kani Kiribati. Official language are English and Gilbertese. Let us learn about the flag of Kiribati. The upper half is a red with a yellow frigate bird flying over a yellow rising sun, and the lower half is the blue with three horizontal wavy white stripes to represent the Pacific Ocean. The white stripes represent the three island groups, the Gilbert, Line and the Phoenix Island. The 17 rays of the sun represent the 16 Gilbert Islands and the Banamba. The frigate bird symbolizes authority and freedom. Talking about the currency, the Kiribati dollar is the official currency of Kiribati. Some of the well-known cuisines of Kiribati are Ti'i Bau Toroni Bokins, Palusami, and roasted lobster tail with coconut curry dipping sauce. The major city of Kiribati are Tarawa and Pesho. Tarawa. It is also the capital of Kiribati, the most populated city in the country, with approximately 40,311 residents. This is nearly half of the country's entire population. It is separated into North and South Tarawa. Banana, papaya, coconut and breadfruit trees all grow here. Besho village is a part of the southern Tarawa and has a population of 12,509. It is located on a separate islet and is the main port city of Kiribati. Because of this port, Besho village is an important economic center for the country. The major attractions in Kiribati are Christmas Island, Fanning Island, Tarawa, Outer Island and World War II battle site. Christmas Island. The Christmas Island is also known as Kiritimati Island as a raised coral atoll in the Pacific Ocean. It is one of the best bird watching destinations in the world. Fanning Island is also known as Tabu Aaron by the locals. These are also one of the most visited tourist destinations in Kiribati. This beautiful island have a number of beaches all around it where you can go and laze around and enjoy your vacations in peace. Outer Island. The Outer Island provides the tourists with lot of recreational activity from fishing to scuba diving to cultural activities. World War II battle sites. The places like Abimama, Tarawa, Butederi, Banana Island are the main sites of this World War II. The things like broken warship, old artifacts, bunkers and old tanks can be seen. There are many wrecked ships one can find inside the sea while scuba diving. Transportation of Kiribati. There are 670 kilometers of highway in Kiribati, of which 24 kilometers are paved in South Tar. The longest stretch of road travel from South Tarawa to the North Tar. Ports and harbors include Manamba, Pesho, English Harbour and Kenton. There is a small network of canals totaling 5 kilometers in Line Island. There are 23 airports in Kiribati, of which 4 have paved runway. The only international one being is Bonriki International Airport and Cassidy International Airport. Religion and culture of Kiribati. The native people of Kiribati are called Ai Kiribati. The Christianity is the major religion in Kiribati. Kiribati folk music is generally based on chanting and other forms of vocalizing, accompanied by body percussion. The uniqueness of Kiribati is, when compared with other forms of Pacific Island dance, is its emphasis on the outstretched arms of the dancer and the sudden bird-like movement of the head.